global oil prices have extended gains amid growing uncertainty over unrest in Iran, with analysts warning that any escalation could disrupt global energy supplies. Barclays has said that the unrest has added an estimated $3 to $4 per barrel in a geopolitical risk premium, while ING noted that prices are rising as protests intensify. And US President Donald Trump has repeatedly threatened possible military intervention. So, Mithali, if I can come across to you on this, we are seeing the rise of global oil prices as well. Obviously, this was a very expected reaction, but $3 to $4. And if we see US actually taking military action, which Trump has threatened to do, it might escalate further.
Yes, firstly, I don't think that the US at this point in time will really need to take military action because we are already seeing that the Iranian regime is threatened by internal protesters, and at the same time, with the economic action that has been taken by the US government, it has sort of reached a point where the rial is crashing, and as a result, I don't think that the military action would be really taken. For the oil markets, of course, this is another disruption just days after what has happened in Venezuela. And but in Venezuela, one can say that the US has, in a sense, brought in a lot of order very quickly, and the markets are getting a predictability at least, and in fact they are also seeing that the US will be investing immensely in Venezuela. So markets have actually stabilized when it comes to Venezuela, but for Iran, definitely there is uncertainty at this point, and it remains to be seen whether the regime will be able to quell the protests and resume, the oil exports at the same level.
All right. Thank you so much, Mithali, for joining us on the broadcast with that expert perspective.